Ready to take to the skies without crashing your confidence? From cinematic 4K shots to automatic flight modes and hands-free controls, these drones make learning to fly an absolute thrill. Stick around as we break down the top 5 beginner-friendly drones that make every takeoff feel pro. Product links and best deals? Yep, they're waiting in the description below. Let's lift off. Let's kick things off with the DJI Mini4 Pro, the gold standard for beginner-friendly drones that don't skimp on pro features. Weighing under 249 grams, it's regulation-friendly and ultra-portable. But don't let the size fool you. This drone packs a 4K camera with omnidirectional vision sensing, 34 minutes of flight time, and a whopping 20-kilometer transmission range. It's perfect for new pilots who want cinematic shots and obstacle avoidance without the stress. If you're just starting out but want room to grow, this is your launchpad. Check the description for product links and best prices. Next up, the DJI Mini4K, a budget-friendly powerhouse that's built for simplicity and style. With a 4K UHD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and auto return to home, it's designed to keep your footage smooth and your flight safe. It's also wind-resistant and beginner-ready with intelligent flight modes that make aerial photography feel effortless. If you're dipping your toes into drone life, this one's a no-brainer. Hit the description below to grab yours and start flying today. Now for the heavy hitter, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. While it's more advanced, it's surprisingly intuitive thanks to Active Track 360 and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. You get a 100 megapixel Hasselblad camera, 6K HDR video, and a 51-minute flight time that's unmatched in its class. It's ideal for beginners who want to invest in a future-proof drone that can grow with their skills. Plus, the Fly More combo includes everything you need to get started. Want pro-level gear with beginner-friendly controls? Check the description and see why this drone is making waves. Let's talk versatility with the DJI Air 3S. This dual-camera drone features a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle lens and a 70mm telephoto for cinematic shots from every angle. With 4K 60 FPS HDR video, 14 stops of dynamic range, and 45 minutes of flight time, it's built for creative exploration. The smart RTH and omnidirectional sensing make it safe and easy to fly, even at night. If you're a beginner with a creative streak, this drone will elevate your storytelling. Tap the description for specs, deals, and more. And finally, meet the X1 Pro 4K action flying camera, the hands-free hero for adventure seekers. With over 10 automatic flight modes, 42 km/h tracking speed, and omni-terrain tech, it's built to follow you anywhere, from snowy slopes to rocky trails. Smooth Capture 2.0 ensures stable footage, and its foldable design makes it ultra-portable. No controller needed, just launch from your palm and let it fly. Check the description to see why creators are loving it. That wraps up our roundup of the best beginner drones of 2025. Whether you're chasing cinematic shots, outdoor adventures, or just learning the ropes, there's a drone here for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite pick in the comments. Product links and best prices are waiting in the description below. Let's get you flying.